In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic captions on Facebook videos. If you're finding that captions are popping up on Facebook videos when you don't need them, this quick adjustment will help. We're going to use Facebook's built-in accessibility controls to stop captions from showing automatically while keeping everything else about your viewing experience the same. First, go to Settings on your Facebook account. If you're on a computer, you'll typically find this by clicking your profile picture or the menu in the top right, then choosing Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. On the mobile app, tap the menu icon, select Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Don't worry if the layout looks slightly different. Facebook changes its interface from time to time, but you're looking for the main settings area. Once you're in Settings, look for Accessibility. This section brings together options designed to make Facebook easier to use for different needs, and it's where Facebook keeps controls related to how videos display. Inside Accessibility, open the Video and Motion options. This is where you'll find settings that affect how videos play, animations behave, and how captions are handled across Facebook. Now toggle Always Show Captions to Off. When this switch is turned off, Facebook will stop showing captions automatically on videos you watch. You'll still be able to turn captions on for individual videos if you want, but they won't appear by default. This is especially helpful if captions have been getting in the way of graphics or if you prefer a cleaner viewing experience. A couple of quick tips. If you still see text on some videos after making this change, those might be burned-in subtitles added by the video creator. Because they're part of the video itself, they can't be turned off. Also, if you manage a page, this change ensures videos on your page won't display captions automatically for you. Keep in mind that different viewers can control their own caption preferences, and page-level tools for generating captions during upload are separate from what we adjusted here. If you don't see the accessibility or video and motion options, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version, or try checking the desktop site where settings are often easier to find. That's all there is to it. By turning off Always Show Captions, you've stopped captions from appearing automatically on Facebook videos. Enjoy a distraction-free feed and turn captions back on anytime you need them.